Well, she mad at me also because through the car broke down and then I rain a fall. Me have to in a rain with that, you know.
I'm not mad because he didn't wait for her.
No, Malia, you are going.
Stop.
Yeah, but you are going. You have a bread in your field that I got the same. Malia, slow down. It's raining. Our bread in him got it in that I got the same school. See me? But she not understand. Come. More time some people give you one ride. See me? And people are person not like we, you know, man. If we know say we are go that direction there, you go, we stop and give her. Come on there. We stop and give her a lift. We don't watch face. But what she don't understand. We get her one ride. You know? So she always wants to ride it. She want to ride with them again, you know? But you have to just understand. Because at them time with an arm, at them time 2:40 them school over. 2:40. See me? Malia, look where you go, Malia. See me? 2:40 them school over. It's a rain now, so me. Malia, don't step in her water. So she get vexed because she said she want to wait for the little girl. And I said, no, her father not come for her yet. See me? So, you want to hold the umbrella? Go on. It's heavy, you know. Can you manage it? Alright, come. She vexed. She vexed, yeah, sir.
Nothing else is gonna make me happy at all.
Why?
Because nothing.
Why, you're not happy? Why?
A bad day.
You have a bad day?
Yes. Because my teacher's getting mad at me because I'm worrying about everybody else.
Yeah, but don't worry about, just worry about yourself. That's a good thing still. What happened? What happened? What happened? Hey, what happened?
The teacher got mad at me for no reason.
What you do? What, you did do something wrong?
Yeah. I did something wrong.
Why you did wrong?
The teacher just screamed at me like this.
I'm going to talk to her tomorrow, okay? Alright, why you did something wrong? Why you did wrong?
I don't know.
The teacher scream at her after. So tomorrow now I talk to the teacher about that. Because I hear from PR mouth, so you have to go find out what I go on. Yeah.
Nobody's watching this thing.
Yeah, but no mind that. Don't mind that. Alright? Never mind. She begs you also. Nobody know how I could have. Malia, wait. Hold on there. She said, the teacher, mother said, because she worry about other kids. And so she stays still. So, I got to talk to the teacher about it. So, you don't know what I go on. And it's helpful. It's helpful. People who don't wonder why I walk, you know. Me car go to a mechanic shop. Drive it, but if it get it fixed, man rob me $2,500 with a wrecker. The wrecker me have to take it out. Malia, you have a cross here for now. Wait, stop. Wait. Hold on for my pants. Hold on for me. Now hold my pocket. Now show me. Brother, nah, ease up in it. Nah, ease up higher. See me? Hold on, don't move, don't move. See, I'm going to show you. I mean, the rain with a baby, you know. And you think none of them are stopped. I went on a half year, yeah.
The little girl said I can come her.
Yes, Malia, but I don't see none of them. They see, not one of the hold on for me, you see? I try cross, you know. And the rain me in. Come back, step back. You see that? No one to say stop. You see that? Nobody. Nobody has stopped. See that? So long we stand up here, sir. One cross. No one. The people that respect nobody. Man, woman, picnic, it no matter. You see how the rain me in, you know. I try cross. You see me, I show you. And never baby, a little girl with me. Alright, Molly. Come, run cross, come. See me, I show you. And people don't respect nobody else. See me, I show you. Them people don't respect nobody. Malia, wait. It's raining. Okay? Come. Walk in front. So long me stand up in the rain, nobody, no one. Nobody knows. Walk up, Malik. Walk up, man. Yeah, man, in the rain, me turn up a try cross, man. And nobody no stop. Nobody no stop. Aya.
Daddy.
Yeah?
My leg is starting to hurt.
Your leg start hurt? We soon reach the next 5 minutes.
It's getting tired.
It's getting, yeah, we know that, Malia, but with next 5 minutes, remember, she don't like walking or catch. I driving, but the car not work. See me?
But sometimes I like walking and sometimes...
Yeah, but it's raining now, Malia, okay? It's raining. I know you like walking, but...
It's raining.
Yeah, I mean, when I go home now, I have to go rub her up. See me? And them people that don't get drive here, sir. No, sir. If they get drive one time, but I look fit, nobody look fit the second time. Because them are going to feel like say you take it for your habit. See me? So you know what I do? Grab my umbrella here, sir. Workplace, give me an umbrella. Grab my umbrella here, Papa. And hit the road. So they say they. So let me just make a record come pick up the car. Yeah, man, just make a record come for the car and go work on it. Because this teaches me a lot. Yeah, man, yeah, the car go and Virgin and the man suck off 2005. And I go to the station, the man say I should have get a receipt. Malia, walk up now. What happened to you?
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing.
You're tired?
Yes.
I'm so rich, man. Come, I say it go. You have to face some rough days more time. See me, I show the people that them something I try avoid. See me? And them something Malia. And them little thing I try avoid because I don't want she go through certain things like when we go through. See it here, rain me now, I walk with her. My pick me fragile in man, and I like Jamaican. Yes.
My teeth's coming out right now.
Well, when you reach when you take it out.
Okay.
My pick me fragile here, man, them come like some Jamaican people with tough them way there. We used to them sitting here, we love the rain. So, I wonder if I the right path me at walk. I did a whole heap of road, you know, but that road that looks strange to me a while. Okay. No, I right one. Yeah, right. Malia, look where you go. That's the same thing the teacher tell us, worry about yourself. You know you worry about people others, but now at the time for you worry about yourself because you're a baby and we up on the road and whole heap of people are drive past, or people who live next door to me. And what them do? Drive past. So, wait them all there. Wait, stop. Tell me what that means. That tombstone that you know. Gangster. Come, Malia, come. Walk up.
The gangster died.
Yeah, right, sir. Yes, gangster died. Come, Malia, walk up. Come, Malia. We can't make them catch you back. Come. I have to go change. Malia, look where you go. Look where you're going. Yes. I rain answer. So when I go home now, I have to just rub her up with some alcohol or something. Yeah, cool off a little. Then wash her off. You know? Yeah man, I just say them man. So see yeah, I will find a resting place I say answer. So I go on there. Go way back round so. Yes sir. All you see, man I hype and I go on. Yes sir, everybody are late to rest. Yes sir, all the way I go meet up. Right. Yes sir. Right, yes sir, all the way I meet up. See me? Right. Here sir. So all the flossing and the braffing and the palafing and all of them things there. Right, here sir, all the way I meet up here sir. But I beg Father God, say, please Father, I beg you Father God, I beg you just hold me out till a little girl I reach like all 16, 17. You know say, tomorrow no promise to nobody but me I beg you. Give me a couple more years for my own. See me, I beg you sir. Tomorrow no promise to nobody but I beg you sir, make me hold me out till a little girl that reach to a point where me can send her all, she can all go to the shop, take all the bus by herself. She can go down to the store, go buy what she want. See me, I beg your Father God do. See me, hold me out cause me no want she go through certain things. Cause when you will take care of your Malia, come over here. What's it? Your dog food up on the road. Walk in front. Walk in front. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah man, I have to beg Father God to hold me out cause when you will take care of your how you would take care of your loved one, your daughter, your son, family member, we do it you know, but not to the way you would have do it. Put your life on the line or shoulders to the wheel for her. See me, so me I beg your Father God, I don't want she go through no sufferation. See me, I beg your Father, hold me out, at least hold me out till she reach like all 50. See me? I beg you, hold me out with this one. I beg your Father God, because tomorrow no promise to nobody. And this is a word of prayer, Father God. Only through me can't lock my eye because I really up. See me, but me I beg you, just do. Spare me few more mileage on the engine. See me? Malia. Walk in front, Malia. See me? You know you're tired, but we soon reach home. When we reach home, you get some rest, alright? Wait. Go on. Go on. Yeah man, see, she vexed, you know, cause it rain and she said she tired. I can't lift her up here now, cause can't lift her up here now, you know. Rain. And the umbrella too heavy for she hold it, you know. So people are nasty, a blow out. A paid dog sitting there on the road there. So you have to watch all your step. Malia, watch what you do, man. 6 stomach to blood clean. See me? Smell it. See me?
I smell
Ah, Malia, wait till it stops. Come, Malia, come. Wait, stand up. Come, Malia, come, run. Run. Yeah, come. Run. I tell you, it's not normal. It's not normal, brother. And my people are now, sir. No matter who you be, brethren, no matter how close of a man get, I drive one time, nobody look. The next day if you see him give another driving, man. Because he might go feel like you take it for your habit. And I run 4 cars, 4 people will live on the road. Pass me. And you know the worst part? We live on the same road. We work at the same place. So but you see the umbrella. The whole of work at the let's get one of them umbrella here. See me? I mean a boy more time my woman I tell me say me too kind. See me? Me tap her anyway, me tap. From me know you, me not left you. From me know you, me not left you. No, sir. And so we can here, man. Jamaican, be too kind hearted there, baby. See me? Malia, we soon reach home, okay? You mad at daddy?
Yes.
Why you mad at daddy? You love daddy? Why?
Because nothing else is gonna work anymore.
No, because it's raining and everybody get drive. Everybody else get drive.
We can ask for somebody can drive us.
Yeah, but no one give us a drive, so we walk.